Went south, unraveling English idioms. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, went south. If you've ever been puzzled when you hear someone say something, went south, stick around to discover what it really means. Let's start with the basics. When we think of south, most of us think of a direction on a compass, opposite to north. It refers to the downward direction on maps. But, in the world of idioms, things aren't always as they seem. In English, when someone says something went south, they aren't typically talking about a physical direction. Instead, this phrase is often used to describe a situation that has deteriorated, gone wrong, or decreased in value or quality. For example, the meeting went south when the two managers started arguing. I had high hopes for my investment, but it quickly went south. The exact origin of the phrase, went south, is somewhat unclear. Some believe it comes from the notion of declining stock market charts, which generally show a downward direction when stocks lose value. Others think it might be related to the idea of migrating birds flying south for the winter, signifying a departure or leaving. Regardless of its origins, the idiom is widely understood in modern English to refer to something going awry. To truly grasp an idiom, it's best to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. After the main speaker canceled, the entire event went south. 2. I tried to bake a cake for the first time, and it completely went south. It was a disaster. 3. Their relationship went south after they had a big argument. Notice how the phrase can be used in different contexts, all indicating a negative turn of events. So, the next time you hear someone mentioning that something went south, you'll know they're not talking about a trip down the map. They're expressing that something didn't go as planned. We hope this explainer sheds light on the idiom and enriches your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!